Speaker sir, we have following village libraries are established in Porye constituency under the Goa State Village Panchayat Library Financial Assistance Scheme, and we have some 6 libraries in Porye. But I would request Honorable Minister to please have a look at the village libraries, because they are very small village libraries with hardly any reading material. I want to congratulate Honorable Minister for starting the concept of mobile libraries in Goa. There are right now 6 mobile libraries in Goa, but these are all in urban areas. So I would request Honorable Minister to start the same concept in our rural areas. So आमचे जे ग्रामीण भागान जे भुरग्यांक पळय ही फॅसिलिटी ना, reading material मेळना, जे this if you start this concept in the rural areas, maybe you can take a few panchayats as pilot projects and see what is the support you get, what is the how many people use it, and how many people what is the response you get. कित्याक आमी पळयता की ह्या village library ना materials कांय नासता, but if you now the concept that you have started with these mobile libraries with 5,000 books, आमच्या तर मतदारसंघान तर अशे हे तर आमच्या